Am I the only one that didn't know our oceans might actually be radioactive? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But this is real life, and the news coming from the scientific community is honestly jaw-dropping. For most of us, the ocean is a symbol of purity and vastness, a place where life began and where mysteries still lurk in the deep. But what if I told you that right now, something invisible and potentially dangerous is spreading through those blue waters? Seriously, scientists are sounding alarms about a new discovery beneath the waves. It's not just another oil spill or plastic patch, this is about radioactivity, and it's got experts from around the world scrambling to understand what's really going on. Imagine being a researcher, expecting the usual results, and then suddenly your instruments are picking up levels of radiation that just don't add up. Let's break down what's happening, and why you should care. Because this isn't just a problem for scientists in lab coats, it could affect anyone who loves the ocean, eats seafood, or lives near the coast. The story starts with a routine survey, but quickly turns into a global mystery. So, here's the deal. Teams of oceanographers and environmental scientists have been monitoring the ocean for decades, keeping tabs on everything from temperature to pollution. But recently, their instruments started picking up something strange: radioactive isotopes in concentrations way above what's considered normal. Researchers recently discovered way more radioactive material building up in parts of the ocean than anyone expected. We're talking about hotspots where the readings are several times higher than the background levels. These aren't just trace amounts left over from old nuclear tests. These are fresh spikes, and they're showing up in places that were supposed to be safe. This isn't just the usual tiny amounts we've seen before. This is a real spike, and experts are scrambling for answers. The big question is, what's causing it? Is it a new leak, a hidden disaster, or something else entirely? The data is so unexpected that even veteran scientists are double-checking their equipment just to make sure it's not a mistake. Where's it coming from? Theories are flying, but answers are hard to come by. Sure, we know about big nuclear incidents like Fukushima, underwater nuclear tests, and even leaks from power plants. These events have left a radioactive legacy in our oceans, and scientists have been tracking those contaminants for years. But the new readings don't quite fit the patterns we'd expect from those sources. But here's the twist. This new buildup? It doesn't totally match those sources. The isotopes and their locations are off, and that's what's so unsettling. It's like finding a puzzle piece that doesn't fit any of the pictures you already have. Some scientists are even wondering if there's a new unknown source of radioactive pollution out there. That means there could be leaks we don't know about, or maybe ocean currents are moving old contaminants in ways we never guessed. Ocean currents are powerful and unpredictable, capable of carrying pollutants thousands of miles from their original source. It's possible that radioactive material from decades ago is being stirred up and transported to new areas, creating these unexpected hotspots. The implications are huge. If radioactive pollution is spreading in ways we can't predict, it could reach coastlines, fisheries, and even the food on our plates. Communities that rely on the ocean for their livelihoods are rightfully concerned, and the uncertainty is making it even scarier. Why is this such a big deal? Let's talk about the risks. Well, rising radioactivity could mess with marine life, threaten the seafood we eat, and impact coastal communities. Radioactive particles can accumulate in fish and shellfish, working their way up the food chain. That means what starts in the water could end up on your dinner table. Plus, radiation can disrupt delicate marine ecosystems, harming creatures from plankton to whales. Scientists say we need better monitoring, smarter waste management, and more global teamwork, fast. This isn't a problem any one country can solve alone. It's going to take international cooperation, new technology, and a commitment to protecting our oceans for future generations. The clock is ticking and the world is watching. The ocean is one of Earth's greatest treasures. It's home to millions of species, regulates our climate, and provides food and jobs for billions of people. But it's also fragile, and what we do, or fail to do, now will shape its future for centuries to come. If you want to know more about the mysteries and dangers hiding beneath the surface, hit like, subscribe, and stay curious. The story of our radioactive ocean is just beginning, and together, we can demand answers and push for change.